Hello viewers, I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. This is a question given to me by one of my students. He wants me to solve this question for him, and I believe he's watching this video right now. So I decided to solve it here so that everybody will see how to solve similar problems. This question is from a topic called simultaneous equation, and we are asked to find the values of x and y. To solve this equation, we have two main methods of solving simultaneous equation. The first method is known as elimination method. Second method is called substitution method. Substitution method. So please, I want you to watch my video on simultaneous equation so that you'll be able to understand the two methods. But today, I want us to use one of the methods to solve this problem. And we are going to use elimination method. That's the first method to solve this. I will do another video to show you how to solve simultaneous equations using substitution method. So please watch this video carefully. Okay, to solve this problem using elimination method, what we need to do is to decide on which of these variables to eliminate. We have x and y. They are called variables. We don't know their values, otherwise we can also call them unknowns. Now decide on which one to eliminate. Okay, so assuming we want to eliminate x, that means we are going to get the value of y, and if we eliminate y, we are going to get the value of x. Okay, now from these two equations, let us go to the second one that has negative. This 3 you see here is not ordinary 3, it is called minus 3. So whenever you have negative sign in any question, please be very careful. Don't call this 3, it is called minus 3. But this can be called 2 because it is plus 2. This can be called 3 because it is plus 3. But this cannot be called 3 because of this negative sign. So you call it minus 3. Okay, now let us decide. I want us to eliminate y first of all. Okay, so when we eliminate y, we get the value of x. Okay, to eliminate y, we must make sure the coefficients are equal. Here, the coefficient of y is 2, but here coefficient of y is minus 3. Before we can eliminate y, that is to remove y, we must make sure the coefficients are equal. So in order to make sure the coefficients are equal, let us multiply the whole of equation 1 by this coefficient, which is 3. So we say equation 1 multiplied by 3. And let's multiply the whole of equation 2 by the coefficient of y here, which is 2. Okay? Which is 2. All right. So this means 3 is going to multiply everything here, and 2 is going to multiply everything here. 3 multiply 3 will give us 9x, plus 3 multiply 2y will give us 6y. Okay, equals 3 multiply 6 will give us 18. The same time, 2 multiply 4x will give us 8x, minus 2 multiply 3y will give us minus 6y, equals 2 multiply 9 will give us 18. You see, we have the same coefficients, so we can now eliminate y because this is plus and this is minus. So we just add the two equations together so that this 6y, we just eliminate 6y. Okay, now what we are going to do now is to add up these two equations together, and this will give us 9x plus 8x, okay, then plus 6y minus 6y equals 18 plus 18, okay. 9x plus 6x will simply give us 17x. This and this will give us 0 because 6 minus 6 is 0. Then equals 18 plus 18 will simply give us 36. Therefore, let us divide both sides by 17 in order to get the value of x. So this divides 17, this divide by 17. 17 will divide 17 to give you x equals, let us divide 36 by 17. 36 divided by 17 is approximately 2.1. Okay, now that we have the value of x as 2.1, let us use the value of x to get the value of y. So let's get to this, either this equation 1. Let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. Okay. So we can go to equation 1 or equation 2 and substitute or replace x with 2.1. So we can say from equation 1, equation 1 is 9x plus 6y equals 18. When the value of x is 2.1, so we have 9 times 2.1 plus 6y equals 18. And when you multiply 9 by 2.1, answer will give you 18.9. So here we have 18.9, then plus 6y equals 18. And you want to collect like terms, move 18.9 to this side. It will give you 6y equals 18 minus 18.9. It will give you minus 0.9. Okay, therefore, to get the value of y, divide both sides by 6. When you divide both sides by 6, 6 will divide 6 to give you y. Okay, then y equals, give you minus 0.15. Therefore, the value of x is 2.1 and the value of y is minus 0.15. Thank you for watching. Please, if this video makes sense to you, why don't you share it to your friends and well-wishers? Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Buchi Online Maths. Like my Facebook page, Buchi Online Maths, and let's go. Thank you. Bye-bye.